How to dropship from Aliexpress to Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll showcase step by step how to start dropshipping from Aliexpress to your Shopify store. So basically I will show you how to use a third-party application for your Shopify, which will allow you to import products from Aliexpress to your Shopify store, and it's actually going to also show up within the product page for your Shopify store. Not only that, but it also helps you a lot with the shipping time because, usually with AliExpress, it does take a month or more to ship. However, with this specific application, it does make things a lot faster, and you will see that yourself. So let's actually get started and show you how to do so. So the first step is just sign into your Shopify store and go to the dashboard. And then from here, you will need to go to your apps and go to your Shopify App Store, basically. And we will be looking for an application that is called Zendrop. Now, you may find it within the popular apps, and it is actually this one right here. So it's Zendrop, Dropshipping, and POD. If you don't, because it does keep changing, you can just type in Zendrop, and you should actually go ahead and find it. It's this one right here. You should find high reviews, free plan available, and all of those things. So you can just click on it, and from here, we will be able to install it. Now, you can see the plans that they offer. It is free to install and free to use, unless you want to upgrade for more stuff like product sourcing, custom branding, or more stuff in here. You can just, compare the pricings for yourself and plans and see which ones suit you best. But for the time being, we can just start completely for free, and it's actually going to work. So we just go ahead and actually install it. Click on install and just confirm our installation, and it should be connected to our Shopify store. So let me just do that real quick. We just click on install again. We give it a sec. Shouldn't take too long. And then it should be pretty much done. And now we can actually get started with using it. So let me just exit out of those until it's finished. Or actually, let me just pause this video and actually show you once it's done. Okay, so once it is done, it should open up this page for you, and you will need to just enter a password for it and just finish up your signing out process for Zendrop, and you can actually access the rest of the elements here. Okay, so once you finish up your password setup, your account should be done. So now your Shopify store is actually connected to your Zendrop store, or your Zendrop account basically. So here is going to be your dashboard basically. If you click on my store, it's going to just take you to your admin page for your Shopify store, and then here is going to be find products, where you will be able to actually go ahead and enter some keywords and find the products that you want. In this page, you'll be able to, other than obviously entering keywords here, you'll be able to filter where it ships from, whether it's going to be from the US or from China or from anywhere. You'll be able to select the category, so all categories, accessories, and so on. So you will just need to find the category that you are going to be looking for, select it in here, and then you'll be able to select specific suppliers that are available in here. So if you know specifics, or you want specifics, you can just go ahead and select them. If not, you can just select all suppliers. Price range, also you can select the price range. So if you want to find more cheaper stuff, make sure you do that and hit apply. Let me just clear. And basically you'll be in this page where you'll be able to see all the products that you are searching for. Now there are two different methods to import products from here to your Shopify store. The first one being you actually go ahead and search for them in this page, the find products page, search for them and just select them and add to my products like so. So let me just go ahead and find one like this one, for example. Sorry, so like I said, if you want, for example, this one, you can just first, before you even add to my products, we can just click on it, and it should take us to the page of the product, and it should show us more information about it, images, description, and so on. So as you can see, the name of the product, the supplier, processing time, it doesn't really have anything specific here, so it varies. And also you can see the description and stuff, and you can click on view more and you can see the entirety of the description. You can also see the product cost, obviously. And in here, down here, you'll see the shipping cost for the US, and you can change this. And most importantly, you can also see the average shipping time, which is 10 days. Now, it's not completely accurate. It is going to be the average, so sometimes it does take a little bit more. So keep that in mind. Now, if you want to change the shipping country, you can just click on here and you can just select whichever country that you want to ship to. So for example, Australia, let's just use it for the sake of this example. You can see the shipping cost changed, and not only that, the shipping time also changed, which is the average shipping time. So now that you have these information collected, and you now know exactly what you're going to be whether or not this product is what you're looking for, you can just go ahead and order a sample order if you want, to make sure that it is precisely what this order describes. Or you can just go ahead and simply add to my products right away. Now, if you click on add to my products, now you'll need to go to another page, which is going to be my products page on the left side. By the way, before we even do that, you have the extras here, the branding, bundles and boxes, Aliexpress import, and so on. Those you will need to actually upgrade to do so. So it's not going to be necessarily available for you, or if you did not upgrade. So you've got Zendrop AI, Academy, trending products, and so on. Regardless, we can just now actually go to my products since we actually added it. And we can just click on my products here, and it should show us a list of all the products that we have. So I think it should be processing. Okay, so great. So now we have this one right here, which is the one that we have selected. So basically what we will need to do is just click on review and publish. And now we will need to make sure that we add the necessary information for our product, because after this point, after this step, it is actually going to be in our online store, which is Shopify, and is actually going to be available to purchase. So we need to make sure that the information in here is exactly what we want it to be. And for example, if you mess up, don't worry too much. You can also just at any time go to products and edit it from here. So don't worry too much about it. Now, first thing you will need to do is product name. Make sure that you go ahead and do your keyword research when it comes down to it. Make sure that you're using the words that are going to be most used and SEO friendly, and also not to make it too long and excessive and so on. I'm just going to keep it as it is. Next up is going to be the product tags. We need to really make sure we edit our tags correctly and add as many tags as we can that are related obviously to this product. It's just going to help us a lot to be found, and it's just going to really help your SEO a lot. Next up, after you add your tags and stuff, we can just go ahead to product type and just enter what type of product this is. Well, I kind of forgot what this actually is, so I'm just going to do just accessories or whatever it may be. Anyway, so for collection, we will just go ahead and select the collection that is fitting for this one. So it is art accessories, so I'm just going to keep it as it is, but you can just, change it if you want. So next, we just go to the next step. We don't click on publish, we click on description. And in here, I suggest that you go ahead and delete all of this and write your own description, basically. Why? Because you should be exactly writing what this product is going to provide, how this product is actually going to help your customers, why people should actually buy it, and you can be more engaging than the original description that was actually written. If not, maybe not delete the entire thing, but edit things out to make it more of your, brand voice. And also make sure that you specify exactly what the customers will be getting. So, you don't really scam them basically. Next, we go to variants. If you want to, if the product actually does have multiple variants, it's actually going to show up in here. And you can either check them off or keep them on. And you can also adjust the pricing or sales price for each individual variants. Lastly is going to be the images. So if you want, you can just check off the images that you don't want, and you can just keep the images that you want. Now for images, what is suggested that you actually go ahead and download the images individually and compress them. This way it's going to be a lot smaller for your Shopify store, because we need to make sure our Shopify store speed is optimized and not too, clustery and slow. So make sure that you actually optimize the images first, and you can just add them back from the products page within Shopify. Now, what we can do just after we are pretty much done with the variants, description, and product name and stuff, we can just simply go ahead and publish to my store. And it's just going to show you this warning here, basically. You just click on got it, please don't display the message again. And it's just going to be basically let you know that may take a little bit longer for the shipment, like 1 to 3 days more or stuff. Just make sure that you read this. It's just going to be a warning that you need to keep in mind, because again, nothing is like guaranteed 100% that is going to be within after 10 days of shipping. That's pretty much it. So make sure you read through this and just click on got it and confirm. And it actually should import to your Shopify store. It says it's publishing here, so it's not yet done. And now that it says it linked, we can actually just go back to our Shopify store, reload the page, and we've got our product in here. It should show up any second now. It's taking its time. So anyways, it should really just be here. So let's just wait for it, I guess. And basically just, exactly going to be, as you can see, it's right here. So it's going to be exactly the same procedure for each and every single product. You just click on find products, type in your keywords and what you're looking for. And you can just, edit things out, and you will find your product in here. So yeah, this is here, as you can see, the product right here. You can edit the description again if you want to add the images right here, and so on for the rest of the stuff. Now this is just one way to import stuff, and the other way is going to be actually using this one right here, Aliexpress import. Now I think you can actually use it for free, this one. Now for branding and other stuff, you may actually need to upgrade, but Aliexpress import, you can just click on it and you will be able to download Chrome extension. Just click on it, and then you can just add to Chrome. And I believe, because this is first time testing this, because before it was different, you can just simply add the link and it's going to work, but this time it's a little bit different. So I've brought up this Aliexpress products. Let's see if it actually works. Okay, so I would need to log in. Hold on. Okay, so I have just logged in. So I'm just going to open up this product right here from Aliexpress. Let me just click on here, click on Zendrop, add to import list, and it should be done, hopefully. If not, then maybe I actually would need to upgrade, but let's test that out. So add it to your import list. Okay, so it should be done now. So if I go to my products now, import list, and boom, we've actually got it. So this is how to actually import it the second way, and it's actually a new one, because beforehand, like I said, you just enter the link and that's it. This time you will need to actually just download this or install this Chrome extension, and you'll be just go to the page, use it, and actually go into add it to import list, review and publish, and same steps again. You can just go ahead and set up the product name, tags, description, variants. As you can see now, we have actually different variants. with different images and stuff. You can actually check them off if you don't want them to be there. You can set up the price for each one. You can see the images, just check them off. I don't really recommend that you have this many images, and also those are large sized images, so make sure you optimize them, I mean. And once that's done, you can just publish to my store and it should be done. So this is pretty much how to use Zendrop, or just, you know, how to dropship from Aliexpress to Shopify store very easily and completely for free, unless you want to upgrade and use more stuff here, more advanced stuff. And now if we go back to products, it actually should be in here, as you can see. So we can just click on it so we can see the amount of images, descriptions, and all of those things. So I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.